Alright, so this beauty just arrived. 2026 GMC Sierra HD 2500 AT4 with the Duramax diesel engine. This thing's a stunner in the Volcanic Red tint coat. Like I said, just came off the truck. Going to be having it, still looks beautiful, and it hasn't even been detailed, but wait till it's detailed. The AT4 black wheels, machine wheels. Just a beauty. Standard bed for the 2500, 7-foot bed. It's got the multi-pro tailgate, everything you'd come to expect in an AT4. And of course the Duramax diesel, 6.6 liter. These things are a beast. Beautiful AT4 interior, the large LCD screens. Come see me, Rick Tereso, here at Bob Peon Buick GMC today. PeonAuto.com.